ओके आज हम एक मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया का क्वेश्चन देखने वाले हैं एंड विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इन सेम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ओके, व्हाट इज गिवन? फाइंड मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट एक्स एक्स एंड वाई वाई एक्सिस and the cross section is given. Okay, we want to find the moment of inertia of shaded area. But ये shaded area कितने basic shapes की addition है या subtraction है? So there are two bodies. First one is triangle minus rectangle. So we have to find first centroid of this cross section and then we'll find out moment of inertia. So we'll select origin so that total body will be in the first quadrant. So origin will be here. So distance of origin, distance of horizontal distance of origin and centroid is x1 and vertical distance between origin and centroid is y1. So now this rectangle is 30 distance away from x and horizontal distance will be, total is 100 minus 20 is 80, so divided by 2, 40 and 40, so 40 distance away from y axis. And now select x and y coordinates of this centroid with respect to origin. So horizontal distance between origin and centroid is x2 and vertical distance is y2. This is second body, so we will call as x2 y2. This first body, so we will call it as x1 y1. Now area of this triangle is 1/2 into 100 into 90, that becomes 4500, and x1 will be, this distance is 100 and height is 90. If this is 100, so x1 will be its midpoint 50 and y1 will be, this is the small distance, so formula is h by 3, 90 by 3 is 30. Now for this rectangle, its area is height is 30 and horizontal distance is 20, so area will be 20 into 30. Now x2 is this horizontal distance of centered from origin. Horizontal distance x2 is 40 plus 20 divided by 2 is nothing but 50, and y2 is 30 plus 30 divided by 2 and is 45. So we find centroid of parts triangle and rectangle, but if we find centroid of this shaded region, we have to use formula a1 x1 minus a2 x2 divided by a1 minus a2, and to find out y coordinate, the formula will be this. 4 signs are negative. Why? Because we have to subtract rectangle from triangle. So if you find out x, that will be 50 and y will be 27.69. You can find out. Okay, this diagram is symmetric about y axis, symmetric about an axis parallel to y. So if this is 100, the distance between y axis and parallel to that is 50. So x will be always 50. We just see the diagram, you can write down 50. And you have to calculate y. Put this a1, a2, y1, y2 in this formula, you will get y. Now we want to find moment of inertia of this body, and for moment of inertia, the formula of a triangle is bh cube by 36 plus area of triangle and in the bracket y minus y1 square. For x2, this is a rectangular body, its formula is bd cube by 12 plus area y minus y2 square. When we want to find x1, here it will be y minus y1. If you want to find x2, it will be y minus y2. And if we want to find Iyy1, For triangle, formula is reverse. Here it is BH cube by 36 and now it is HB cube upon 36 plus area. If we want to find y by 1, here it will come x minus x1 and last I by 2. Second body is rectangle. Rectangle's formula is BD cube by 12. Take it reverse. DB cube upon 12 plus area in the bracket y minus y2. We want to find y by 2. So here we'll take x minus x2. These are the formula of x1, x2 and y1, y2. How to find total Ixx? The formula is total Ixx is equal to Ixx1 minus Ixx2. Why minus? Because we are subtracting rectangle from triangle. And similarly, how to find total Iyy? Iyy1 minus Iyy2. So now we will substitute the values. B is always horizontal distance. B is base of a triangle. So B is 100. And now H is 90 upon 36 plus area of triangle. Area of triangle is 4500, right? And y is 27.69 minus y1. Y1 is this 30. Now second, for rectangle. For rectangle, B is always horizontal distance, breadth is 20. D is always vertical distance, depth 30 upon 12 plus area. Area of rectangle is 600. Y is 27.69 minus y2. Y2 is 45. So find out x1, find out x2 and then total Ixx. And for y, height is 90 into base is 100. So you have to just interchange the values. 100 into 90 cube, here 90 into 100 cube by 36. Okay, and area is 4500 in the bracket. Now x is 50 and x1 is also 50. Just check, x is 50 and x1 is also 50. So what will happen? This value becomes 0. So you have to find only this. And last, dB cube by 12, you have to interchange 20 and 30, positions of 20 and 30 plus area in the bracket x minus x2. Again, x and x2 are same. x2 is 50 and x is also 50. So this will become 0 and find out Iy by 2 and then find out total Iy. This is one important question of moment of inertia that may come in your INSTAM exam. Thank you.